Hello, today we are going to solve some question from UGC NET Paper 1. So let's see the first one. In this question we are asked that when subject and predicate of both the premises is the same but they differ only in quantity, it is known as, is it subaltern or subcontraries or contraries or contradictories? Okay, therefore among these four options we need to find the correct one. And the correct option is subaltern. Because in case of subaltern, the premises with same subject with same subject and predicate will differ in quantity. For example, A and I, E and O. Okay. Now jump to the next question. The next question is this. Here we are asked that in analog communication, contents are considered to be whether it is convergent or it's static or physical, or lastly, uh, ethereal. Okay. Therefore, the correct option here is static. B, static is the correct option. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.